Here you go. Here goes the plane into the hangar. Yum. Almost as good as that bowl tastes.
She's trying to use it like the cup, because she's been learning how to use the cup. She's like, I can do this. Just let me hold the bowl.
Into the hangar. Come, swallow that bit first.
Wow, Lily, you're eating just like a human. You're eating just like a human.
Somebody might even mistake you for one.
Totally about to stick her whole hand in that bowl.
Easy there. Easy there, Tiger.
He's like, hurry.
Yeah, it would be much quicker that way. Open up. Very good. Going right to the source.
Lily, we're not animals.
Hey, hey. Yummy.
Hi, sweetie.
Another plane wants to land.
She might be full.
Another plane wants to land.
Are you done? Maybe not. Hey, I won't have to make that noise every time I feed her.
Too bad.